Hello students, once again welcome to the LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Let's start with the course Mathematics 1, and today's chapter is multiple integrals. In this chapter, today's topic is change of order of integration. Now, before starting this lecture or topic, I must say that we have to rewind all these previous lecture, 4 lecture, and in that lecture we have studied about the double integration with given limit. In a second lecture we have seen how to find the limit when some curves are given in Cartesian coordinate. In third lecture we have seen how to make limit, that means example based on the lecture number 2, and in lecture number 4 we have seen that same concept, double integration, evaluation of limit and example in polar coordinate. Okay, so by using all these 4 lectures concept in our mind, today we are starting with this topic, change of order. So what is the meaning of change of order and how we will apply this to example? Let's have a look on this. So change of order of integration. Sometimes evaluation of double integral becomes easier by changing the order of integration. Changing the order of integration, that means if we have this double integration f of x comma y dy dx is given, that means dy inside, that means limit of y inside, limit of y, that means y is a function of x from y to, okay, and we have outer limit is x is equal to a to x is equal to b. Sometimes it is difficult to find this integration by using with respect to y first, so we need to change the order. And if we need to change, or if we change the order, that means if we and first integrate with respect to x, then y, so at that time this limit also will be changed by using some concept. Okay, we cannot change directly like x is equal to a to b inside and outer side is y1 to y2. No, it's not possible, because as we have told, or we have seen that always outer limit is constant. Okay, so we'll get the final answer. So for that we need to change the order according to some rule and regulation. So to change the order of integration, first we draw the given region of integration with the help of given limits. So with the help of given limit, that means if this limit is given, this is given, so using this given limit we will find the given region. Okay, and in that given region, if given strip is vertical, then we will make it horizontal, and if given strip is horizontal, then we will make it vertical. This is called a change of order. Simple. Okay, so then we draw the vertical or horizontal strip as per the requirement, that means which is given. Okay, if vertical is given, we will make it horizontal. If horizontal is given, we will make it vertical. Then only then we can change the order. Okay, so change order of integration. And this change of order is also changes the limit of integration. As I told, if we change this order, then limit of the integral also will be changed. Okay, because we are changing strip from vertical to horizontal or horizontal to vertical according to the given examples. So to understand this topic better, we need to understand some example. So let's have a look on the example. We have very first example. Change the order of integration and evaluate this integral. Okay, so we have the solution. As I told, first we will write down the given limit. So given limit, before writing out given limit, first we'll check the inside limit is with variable x. So inside limit contain x variable, so it is a limit of y. So dy inside, dx outside, it is okay. So inside limit is y is equal to x to y is equal to infinity, and outer limit is of x, so x is equal to 0 to x is equal to infinity. So given limits given limits are x is equal to 0 to x is equal to infinity, which is outer limit, okay, and inside limit is y is equal to x to y is equal to infinity. Now by using this inside limit, we have the curves. As we know that inside limit is of y is equal to x because it is of y. So given strip is vertical. How do I know? Because from the previous lecture. So you have to refer all the previous lecture, you have to solve the practice example, then and only then you can understand. And I am just giving a hint also. If inside limit is of y, then given strip is vertical. Okay, now you have to make it horizontal by change of order. Okay, if dx is inside, that means limit in the form of y, then given strip is horizontal, we will make it vertical. Okay, this is our concept. So by using this inside limit, y is equal to x is our line which is passing through origin, made 45 degree with x-axis, and y is equal to infinity is also line but at infinite. Okay, so we have two lines, we have to just draw, but y is equal to infinity is not possible to draw. So just we how to we remember that will be understand by the graph only. So we have this y is equal to x line. We can extend it. Okay, this is y is equal to x line, which is already written here. Now, given, as I told, given limit is vertical strip. Given limit is y, limit of y, inside limit. We have to always focus on the inside limit first. So inside limit is of y, and given limit is inside limit is y. So given strip is vertical, and in vertical strip, the lower limit is the limit of integration, which is lower part of the starting part of the strip. So y is equal to x. So strip starting from here. Okay, strip starting from here, and its end to y is equal to infinite. That means it goes to infinite. This is given vertical strip, and its move on horizontally move on x-axis from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to infinite. So here leftmost part is x is equal to 0. We know that this is x is equal to 0, y-axis, and up to this strip goes to up to infinite in this region. Infinite, till infinite, okay, till again infinite. So this is our given region. So this is our given region. In this region only we have to change the strip. So this is our given strip. Now we have to make it this is vertical, we have to make it horizontal. This is new. Okay, so if we make it horizontal, so as per our previous lectures rule, if we make horizontal, then make x subject from the end point, x subject from left side, x subject from right hand side. So x subject from here, so x is equal to 0, and from here x is equal to y. So new limits are, by changing of order, new limits are x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y. And this horizontal strip moves vertically on y-axis from lower to upper, but upper is infinite till. So we have y is equal to 0 to y is equal to infinite. So we have y is equal to 0 to y is equal to infinite. So how we change given vertical strip to horizontal, this is the concept. Okay, and by putting this new limit in this old limit place, and we can change this dy dx into dx dy. So this is the old which is given, and now new will be y, a limit of x inside, because in the form of we make horizontal strip. So okay, limit of x inside, so x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y, and outer limit is y, so y is equal to 0 to y is equal to infinity, dx dy. Okay, now we will integrate this new integration, which is quite easier than to integrate this. Okay, so we have this, I am writing again. Now we want to integrate with respect to x, and this entire function is of y, so we can take it outside from this first integration. So we have taken outside, and we have integration 0 to y, 1, nothing but here 1. And integration of 1 with respect to x is x. So x and limit 0 to 1. So upper limit minus lower limit, y minus 0 will be y. Okay, and by cancelling this, you know that this is as it is, and integration of this y minus 0 is y. So by cancelling this y, we have e raised to minus y. And again with respect to y now, so e raised to minus y into upon minus 1, but minus we can write the multiplication. Now upper limit minus lower limit, for that I am just taking this minus outside, and e raised to minus infinity minus e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1, and e raised to minus infinity. So e raised to minus infinity is 0, as we have discussed previously. Okay, so 0 minus 1. So we have minus into 0 minus 1, so minus minus plus. So final answer is 1. Simple. Integration as per our previous lectures. Just we have to understand how to change the strip from vertical to horizontal, or given is horizontal, then how vertical. So we have one more example to understand better. So this is the example. Change the order of integration. It is already mentioned, change the order. So we have to compulsorily change the order of integration this. So first we will write down the given limits. So given limits are, we can see here inside limit is in the form of y, so which is a limit of x. So given strip is horizontal. Simple. This is the concept. Inside limit is in the form of y, which is limit of x. So inside limit is x. Inside limit is of x, which is horizontal strip. Okay. So given horizontal strip, we have to make vertical. So given limits are, first outer limit, we will write down y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a, and inside limit x is equal to y to x is equal to a. Now we will draw the graph. X is equal to y is a line passing through origin, make 45 degree, and x is equal to a is also a line which is parallel to y axis passing from a at a distance. So we have this line y is x is equal to y, and this is x is equal to a. This is our given horizontal strip. This is given. Okay. Now we have to move this strip in given region. So which is the given region? Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. So this is our intersection point a. When we will put x is equal to a to y is equal to x. So we have point a. So this is our limit, upper end limit, and this is our lower limit. That means bounded region by these two, and this is our given region. So in this part, we have to make given horizontal strip into vertical. If we make it vertical, this is our new strip, then we have to make y subject. So new limits are y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x, and this vertical strip moves along this x-axis. So leftmost part, when this vertical strip moves, the leftmost part is x is equal to a, and rightmost part is x is equal to 0, and rightmost part x is equal to a. So we have a limit of x becomes x equal to 0 to a. So y is this and y is this. So y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x, and moving along this, we have x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. So given limits is become, the given limit becomes mu x is equal to a to 0 to a and y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. Okay. Now we will integrate first with respect to y. So at that time this x comes outside and this x becomes constant. So we integrate 1, consider 1 upon a square plus x square. And we know the formula of 1 upon a square plus x square. Okay, so x outside and this x outside, so we have integration 1 upon a square plus y square divided with respect to y. Now that's why. So we have 1 by a tan inverse y by a plus c. Okay, so here a square, that will be x square. So 1 by x tan inverse y by x. Now we can cancel out this x because here x is constant. Because of this we integrate this one to y. Now upper limit minus lower limit. If we put upper limit here, so x cancel out. So 1 and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. And if we put 0, so 0 by x is 0, tan inverse 0 is 0. So pi by 4 minus tan inverse 0, 0, so pi by 4. So it is constant outside. Here nothing, but we have 0 to a. Nothing, we can consider 1. So integration of 1 is x. Upper limit minus lower limit, a minus 0 is a. So we have final answer by a by 4. This is our final answer. So now you understood better that we have to first, what we have to do when double integration and some function is given, first we have to check from not here dx dy. We have to check that given inside limit is in the form of x or y. If it is in the form of x, that is limit of y. A limit of y, then dy should be inside. And dy inside, that given strip is vertical. Okay. And this strip, given strip, vertical strip, moves along this outer limit. X is equal to a to x is equal to b. In this region, this vertical strip moves. And then after getting the region, we have to just change the order. That means vertical strip becomes horizontal. This is new string. Okay, this is new string. And at that time, we will make x subject from left to right. And now x moves, this horizontal strip moves like vertical, and we will get limit of y from here. Okay, this is the concept of change of form. So, according to these two example, we have some DIY that you have to practice this example. I have given 7 examples because this is the most important topic. Okay, change of order and maximum asked in examination. So you have to practice maximum examples. So keep practicing, keep learning. If you have any query, then contact me. I will give you hint or I will solve the example for you. Okay, so keep watching. We will see you soon with next lecture. Thank you very much.